we've got a Bradco 609 skid steer, quick attach, Backhoe. I think it's pretty well universal on these. They'll fit any skid steer. You may have to change the fittings, but all the stick controls, hydraulic outriggers, nice hoe. It's got about an 18-inch bucket, probably what they're going to call it. Teeth look real good. I mean, just a very straight backhoe. Cylinders look alright. Go buy our Absolute on Tractor House Auction. We're going to have 3 of these grouped together on the same week.